Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Excuse the sweat, but I've been running. Also excuse the noise, we're doing work on the house. Now, I'm going to take you on another food pantry run, because as you know, all this week, we are running to food pantries and you're coming with me, okay? Today it's what's in the box. And in one case, it's what's under the towel, but I'm going to leave that as a surprise. Come on.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
As usual, we're going to start from left to right. Now, this is a surprise. You're going to love this, okay? The first box we got, a whole box of pudding, rice pudding. Look at this. I can freeze this, save it, stack it up, and try and get it in focus. There we go. Oh, an entire box. Of course, I'm going to give this away to some people that I know need it, and give some to Jay. All right. Our second box is overflowing. We've got some Eggo waffles, the cream cheese type. I did the box. That was me that did that. But we got the cream cheese type, thick and fluffy. We got, just a whole box load of those. Look at them. And then we got some bagels. Look at this. Now, once again, I'm going to be donating some of this and taking it to people that need this food. In fact, one of my workers here today, I'm going to give some of this stuff to him as well. Okay? Look at that. Now, what's nice, you can give these to your kids when you're in a hurry in the morning. And they're pretty good. It's a nice substitute for when you can't cook. Okay? Eggo is a name brand, so that's okay. All right. Now, in this next box, check this out. We got more bagels. Okay? Which I absolutely love and adore. And we can do a lot of things with these. I'm going to show you a bagel meal where it's kind of like a casserole, but it's for breakfast. And the eggs sit in this with some bacon and cheese on top. Oh, and with a little hollandaise sauce. We're going to do my imitation eggs Benny with this. You'll see. Look, tortillas, flour tortillas, fresh. I can make anything I want with this, from tacos to some flautas to just anything I want. Look, chocolate chip cookie dough. All you do with this is already measured out. You scoop it up, put it on the cookie tray, and bake them. Done. Look, I've got 4 of them. 2 bagels, 2 packs of tortillas. Oh, how many of these do we have? More than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we're there. See, there's a 10th one here. And I got another pack of the bagels. Some more bagels. And like I said, this whole box of rice pudding, which I can show you how to make a wonderful parfait with this, with strawberries and summer fruits. You will lose your mind, okay? It's real simple. You just stack it, okay? Now, for the surprise, I want you to, before I unveil this, list down below, what do you think is under the towel? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Turkey breasts. Look at this whole turkey breast. 2 of them. That is a true blessing. Look. All right. All this week we are running to the food pantries. Come with me tomorrow and see what I get next. Now remember, in Chicago, you do have the food depositories. You've got the Greater Food Works of Chicago. If I could get my verbiage together. You also have Miss Misha Moore. Look her up. And St. Philip Neri. They give out food. You need food. Look into these people. If you cannot find them, you write me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. Okay? Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. Or write to me, period. And maybe I can look up and see what resources you have in your city. Okay? All right. Like, comment, and subscribe. Look for the new video tomorrow. I'm doing a video every week. Every day. I'm getting a senior moment again. Lord have mercy. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.